Are you ready?
Ready. Of course.
Everyone is ready يا شباب?
Ready, of course.
Your booklet at page 102 at the last 2 pages of this lesson.
Okay, Mister, I will bring my booklet.
Yeah, yesterday I sent to you the summary of the lesson and the board summary of our lesson today. Because we are doing a study online, so I request every one of you to write it. Also, I sent you the quiz of this lesson and the check understanding questions, answers of this lesson in this PowerPoint. So I need every one of you to focus with me, because we're going to finish and close this lesson today. We are going to finish and close this lesson today, right?
Mister, you didn't share the screen.
Okay,
Mr.
I will.
booklet.
Thank you very much for this information.
Mr. Page, what in the booklet?
Page, I did say before, I think 105, I think. Let me focus. Let me see it, Adam, sorry. I'd see it and tell you again. Now, recently, we are in page 107. Okay. Do you see yourself during doing exercises at the morning or at the playground when you run, when you do fitness exercises? You exert more effort. You exert more effort. You need more energy. So you need to have more blood in your body cells, in your blood vessels. So your heart starts to pump fast and fast. Let me switch off my AC, please. Give me 1 second. This one is noisy one. I'm sorry. Anyway, so in this case, you need to exert more effort. You need more energy. You have to push more blood in your blood vessels. So the amount or the rate of the blood in your blood vessels increases. I'd like you, Adam, now to apply with me this mathematical exercise to compare and contrast the amount of blood during having exercises. Go on, yeah, Adam, read this one, please.
When you exercise, your heart pumps more blood through your body than when you are at rest. About how much more blood flows through during exercise than at rest?
I'm not asking you, Adam, exactly about the number, but I'd like you to tell me about the difference between the two cases, during rest and during having exercise. What's the difference?
I don't have a page 105.
In your booklet.
Mr. Yeah, I do.
107. The beginning of the lesson is 105, but now we recently in page 107.
About at rest 20,000.
That's well. So we need to have our pencil to fill in the answer of this question. I just like you to give me the difference between having exercise amount of blood and having this amount of blood. Which one is more? Which one is more? Which one is less?
During exercise
هذا الكتاب. مستر شوف هذا الكتاب اللي انت ذاك اللي منه.
Please, man, don't disturb Adam. Adam is gonna answer now. This book is for your brother. Your brother Manaf. Yeah, thank you very much, Manaf. I'm doing it, but not in the all details, because you are not in grade 7 now, but you are in grade 6. I'm taking this unit to help you more in map test. You know map test? You know map test?
Yeah.
So During map tests, you need to have some information about your body cells and your body organs, your body systems. So I'm doing this only to help you, right?
Yeah.
So please focus now with me in page 107. As Adam said now, listen.
20,000 more than at rest.
Yeah, thank you, Adam. So the detailed answer is found in this PowerPoint. I think I sent it to you, but now recently I opened the same page for you if you like to write it down. But I think it takes many time of you, so.
Mister, can I just write
the number only, the number.
During exercises, 20,000 more than a
Yeah.
Mister,
Yeah,
can you send this in the group?
I sent already.
Oh, okay.
I think I sent. If I'm not, I will send it again for you. Don't worry.
Mister, can I send only can I write only the answers?
Yeah, I said.
The numbers?
I said, yeah, Khaled, yes, you can. You can make it less if you like. Okay. I've seen it now. I sent it already. The answers in a PowerPoint for you in the group yesterday night. Okay. And also the board summary of our lesson today, I sent it to you. I need every one of you to write it down in your copybook. What?
2 and 3 we have to write.
You are free. You don't have to write, but you have to study it.
Okay, Mister.
At least the concept, yeah, Adam, because you did say now during exercises we have to have more energy, more blood. During
Mister,
rest,
this is math and it's easy.
Yeah, it's applying math in science, yeah, Adam. Sometimes you find problem stories in science. Problem stories in science.
But they're just saying 25,000 minus
5,000. Yes. Now I'd like to ask Khalid, why do you think the rate of the blood flows through the body is greater during exercises?
Mister, because you are tired and you have to take like this.
If I'm tired, I have to go to the bed to have a rest.
Yeah.
But this is not the right answer.
Can I say my answer?
Wait, Adam, wait. I discuss with him to reach to the right answer. I need, or you need, during exercise, you need more energy. And you can't obtain energy without having blood, because blood contains the digested food that your body cell can burn it to release energy. To release what? Energy. Let me do this something with you inside your body cells. I think, that's it. So sorry. If this is your cell and there is blood capillaries around it, you can imagine with me, my dears. Hello, Najib.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the blood capillaries around your cell, and the blood capillaries contains the blood. The blood contains oxygen and digested food. They enter the cell to start something that is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration means your oxygen should be found to burn the food. Okay, Shabab, to get the energy. To get what? Energy. What kind of energy that your body need now? Heat energy. Why? Because your body needs the heat energy to do exercises, to move your muscles. During running, during playing football, you need to move your muscles. Your muscles need energy. Energy comes from the food. Food needs oxygen to be burned. Okay? So you have to have more blood in these capillaries around the cell. More blood. You see my finger? You see now? I'm doing more blood around the cell. Sometimes, I don't know what's called in English, but sometimes your muscle stops suddenly and hurts you a lot. especially in swimming or in playing football. Your muscle is stuck and it doesn't like to move. This is only because the lack of oxygen, and the stopping of your respiration process inside your muscle. So make sure that you have good food, good energy before you start to play a football match or to start to swim. Anyway, here we have in another page another check understanding questions. I'd like to read them.
read?
No, Adam, thank you very much. You did read once. Let me choose someone else to make all of them share us. Hello, Muhammad Ahmed. Can you read? Muhammad Hassan.
Okay. Which one? Don't read.
Assess your understanding.
Okay. Assess your understanding.
Mm-hmm.
Where does blood return from the lungs enter the heart?
Where does returning from the lungs enter the heart? Can you read the answer?
It enters the left
Atrium. Let's start to imagine this in the diagram of the blood circulation. You see your heart in the middle, my dears? Hello, focus everyone.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
This heart is divided into two sides, right?
Yes.
The right side and the left side. In the right side, there is atrium and ventricle. In the left side also there is atrium in the above and the ventricle down. The blood now returns, as the question says, it returns from the lungs, enters the heart. Okay, let's follow this journey. It comes from the lungs here, in this vein to the heart. What is this room?
The heart.
Yeah, it's all heart, but what is this room in the heart? Heart has
The left side.
rooms. Left side or left atrium?
Left atrium.
Okay, let's see back again to the answer to write it in our books or booklets. You see, you understand now and you imagined.
This can I send the answers in the group or in the team in the chat?
Send whatever, but I just like you to write it down in your booklet of science.
Mister, can you go up a little bit so we write number 3?
If I did, you may don't see this one, but I'll try. Oh, it's PowerPoint, Khad, I can't. You need this one, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, take your time first to write it. Then we come back to the next
Mr.
one.
Screenshot it and put in the chat.
No need, I sent all on the group of WhatsApp, but you don't open. You just order me. Huh?
Okay.
Please open it, follow it very well. Done?
No.
Everyone has finished?
Yes.
Mister, go down. I sent it in the chat.
Thanks a lot. Jazakallah khair, Adam, you're an active person. Anyway, you see the next one. I'd like you, who's he, Mustafa, read the question. Draw a conclusion.
Okay. Why must your blood complete both loops to keep you healthy?
Listen. What does it mean by saying draw conclusion? Should we have a pencil to draw the conclusion? Huh?
Yeah.
No, we have to describe the process in words, right? What should we describe, Mustafa, here? The loops that keep
the
your
loops.
health of your body. So if you don't have blood circulation in your body will not be healthy, right? Why it will not be healthy? Because it will not have oxygen, it will not have digested food, it will not get rid of the wastes after the cellular respiration is finished. I mean, there are some wastes that your body should get rid of them. Look at this definition in your book, sorry, in your summary of the lesson. Look at this one. Plasma of your blood, huh? Plasma of your blood carries the digested food and return back with what? With the wastes. So the wastes in your body, in your cells, cannot get out without the blood. And the blood cannot move without blood circulation. So you need to have two loops, I mean two stages, two types of the blood circulation in your body. Minor blood circulation and the major blood circulation. Small blood circulation between the heart and the two lungs, like this, which is loop 1, and the long blood circulation or the major blood circulation between the heart and all of your body, which is loop 2. You understand
Mister,
me?
I didn't finish. Mister, I didn't finish.
Yeah, Khalid, we don't write only. We need to understand more better. Listen, again. The question says, describe what is the function of the two loops in keeping your body healthy. I said you need to have the blood and you need to get rid of the wastes. This cannot be happen without the blood circulation. And we have two blood circulations in your body, major and minor. Major one is long, between your heart and all of your body cells, during the blood capillaries, the blood cells, the blood vessels. And between your heart and the two lungs, to reach them, to reach the blood in oxygen, and to get rid of carbon dioxide and water vapor in inhalation and exhalation process. So we need to have Khalid to understand this function. You see this function? Can you read it, Khalid? Plasma,
Plasma carry the digested food and return back with the waste.
Yeah, thank you. Let me discuss with someone else something in this part of the lesson. I need Qusay. Hello, Qusay. How are you? Qusay. Can you focus, Qusay? Going to sleep. Abdulaziz. Abdulaziz. Can you read this one, Abdulaziz?
Okay. Plasma carry the digested food.
Digested food.
Return back
with the wastes. So what are the wastes in our blood, ya Abdulaziz? Do we have solid wastes in the blood or only carbon dioxide and water vapor?
We will take blood veins.
Yeah, and the arteries, they have blood inside them. Okay, I agree with you. But what are the wastes in our blood? Carbon dioxide and water vapor? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Focus more, please. Allah yarda alik.
Okay.
Now we have to write down the answer of the next question in the last page of the lesson. I'd like you, please, everyone, to write down this answer. It is in your booklet. There is a space. Try to copy it now. If you have any question here, I am ready to receive it, to answer it with you.
Mister, do we have to write it all?
Yes, please. It's only 5 lines, Adam.
Mister, 4 plus 3
Adam,
plus 1.
Adam,
8 lines. Mister, 8 lines.
Yeah, Adam, you're covered at home. You don't go to school. It's a good day. So try to do more effort, please.
Okay.
It's easy for you. You're an excellent man. You're a good boy. Done, everyone?
Mister, I sent it.
No.
Mister, I sent it in the chat.
Thanks, Adam. جزاك الله خيرا. You're good. So, do you read the summary of this lesson today? You did see the notes of function of blood parts and the function of blood circulation in your body. I mean the white blood cells, the red blood cells, the plasma, the platelets. You understand them well? Hi.
Yeah.
That's good. Thank you, Shabab. Inshallah, next week we will have another quiz about this lesson. Try to study it well. Listen, when I finish, you can talk to me. I don't mind. I accept it. I just say that it's highly important to know that in next Wednesday or maybe Tuesday, I'm not sure, in weekly plan I sent it. You would have a quiz on this lesson. For yesterday's quiz, I finished it. I corrected for every one of you. I sent you the model answers and I sent you the questions of the quiz. So you can be sure about your level, inshallah. Any question, يا شباب?
لا يا مستر، لكن متى نشوف درجاتنا حق الكويز؟
Next day, inshallah. On Sunday, I'll give it to you.
اوكي يا مستر.
Don't worry.
مستر
Yeah.
طيب شوف انت ليه ماخذ اللي هو البوكلت ماخذه من جريد 7 ليه مو من جريد 6؟
ما في grade 6 any شيء. There is no any part in your books about your body systems يا عبد الله يا مهند. So I have to choose.
هذا يا مستر انا ذاكر من حق اخويا. شوف.
Yeah, you can study from the book, but the book has more details. I don't like you to study from the book. Just stick to the booklet. It's very simple for you.
مستر البوكلت مو واضح مرة.
Yes, you're right, but it's only because the photocopy is in white and black. There is no colorful printing.
Okay.
So I'm so sorry. It's your facilities in your school. I need you only to focus on the files that I sent to you. I sent you the quiz on the lesson. Please download it and answer it. I sent you the PowerPoint with the answers of the questions in the lesson. Please open the PowerPoint and fill in the answers in your booklet. I sent you the summary of the lesson. Please read it well and study it well. Easy يا مهند. مهند went away. Okay, my dears. Look at this summary and try to write it down in your booklet, in your notebook of science. The notebook of science should have this summary. I sent it to you, everyone. Any question before we leave?
No, thank
Hello?
you.
No, thank you.
Yusuf, any question before we leave?
Yusuf isn't here.
Adam, Usai, Mustafa, Iyad. Any question,
Yeah,
Shabab?
just joined. In
All good, all good.
Hashim. Hashim,
Yes, mister.
are you okay? Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
Bye, Mr.
Okay, goodbye, everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Goodbye.